so crazy to me that people ride motorcycles here without a helmet. This is actually a GTA lobby, bro, Miami. What's up, guys? They watch another video. We are still in Miami. We got about 2 more days here. So far, it's been so much fun, so much content. Met so many of you guys, met so many new friends. Bringing my car down here was probably the best thing we could have done too. Like just driving around here with everybody has been so much fun. What? Look at it, it's a quad. There's a dude with a ski mask with a quad in the express lane, bro. I'm telling you, it's literally a GTA lobby here. I'm not gonna lie, it would be cool to live here. It's pretty similar to LA in a way. Like I said, as long as I can make some cool content for you guys, I'm down. I gotta film this guy real quick on the quad. We're in a GTA lobby, dude. We just got some food and now we're about to hit this little car meet. Not that far, it's 19 minutes away. We're about to meet with our boy Lambo Raul. And I'm pretty sure he's gonna bring his Bugatti Pure Sport. Last time we came, we met up with him, he had a Bugatti Sport. So now he has a Bugatti Pure Sport. He literally got all my dream cars, bro. He got the SVJ too at home. I literally don't know which one I would drive, bro. SVJ or Pure Sport. But yeah, Raul's been killing it. And we're about to meet up with him right now and see his Bugatti. Let's go. And see what other cars are at this meet. I don't even know who's gonna be there, but it should be lit. Our boy Tay actually met up with us too. He brought the Tesla out, not the G80. I think yesterday at Beamer Invasion was the first time ever putting his G80 wheels on, so it's not riding perfect yet. So he brought the daily. Look who's pulling up. Sheesh. What's up? I know. We still don't equal out one Bugatti. What's up? How are you? Good, chilling? Damn, this one's sick. Must be nice, huh? You should have brought yours, David.
They didn't have it.
They didn't let you ship it? It's one of those cars where you're just like, how, bro? Yeah, it just doesn't make sense. But Raul figured it out somehow.
People probably feel like that about your RE.
I know. They really do. I mean, it's crazy that there's just levels to it, though. Like, Raul's at the max prestige right now. Oh my god, that thing is nice. That thing is sick, huh? Bro, I just got more stress kicking it with it. I gotta work harder, bro. I need an SVJ. Look at everyone just looking at his car. Tell me when you'll see a Bugatti Pure Sport just driving on the street. That is crazy to me.
It's so funny to me because looking at that car, I swear I thought it was your R8 when he first pulled up, especially from the back.
Hell no, I wish.
I promise. I feel like you look like that driving.
People say me and him look alike.
Period. And the cars too.
Oh my god. Hell no, we won't be able to keep up with that. You know what has 4 turbos? 4! Probably the only car in the world that has 4 turbos, right?
Is that a lot? How many turbos do you have?
This one has 2.
Oh, period 2?
Yep,
How much does mine have? 330.
You have little 2 baby ones too, I think.
Shut up.
Yeah.
That's right.
But some cars don't have any. That one has 4. I believe it's a W16 something, 16 cylinders. I don't know. It's ridiculous. Like, it's actually the most ridiculous car in the world. Pulling up to a car meet in a Bugatti. Bro. No one's even looking at the G80 right now. The G80 is invisible.
Damn, that was crazy.
Just parked the G80 right next to the Bugatti. Bro, I can't believe he got it Pure Sport, guys. He got carbon fiber in the headlights. I was telling Raul, this is goals. Just seeing him drive it, and he's like, bro, that's what we work for. This is definitely motivation, dude. If he could do it, we could do it too. He's literally my age, bro. He's driving this thing. How crazy. This is his second Bugatti, by the way. And at home, he got the SVJ just chilling, bro. A bunch of McLarens. This thing is sick. What body kit is that? Damn. Yeah, that thing is sick, bro. Bunch of supercars. R8 makes me miss my freaking car. I should have brought my R8, bro. How sick would it have been? And he got the center exit exhaust. This is what I kind of want to do. Because, like, I would not burn any bumpers. You can't. The flames will come out right here. So it won't burn anything. Because you guys know, right here is all burnt on my car. But you got the same wing. That center exit exhaust is hard, dude. Oh, and he got the carbon hood. That's all I want to do next. What do you guys think? Should we do it? Looks pretty crazy, huh? And we got Ray, of course, my G80. Still cannot believe that they're out here in Miami. Another G80. Damn, this thing is slammed. That has to be on bags, huh? There ain't no way. Got the buckets. These are my favorite specs. Ones with like the interior like this and the exterior like this. It like matches the interior, bro. Yeah, bagged M3. And he got the exhaust. The crazy center exit one. COLTON in. Bunch of Corvettes. You see a lot of Corvette C8s here in Miami. A lot. GTR? How you like Miami?
I love it. I love Miami. I was just telling David.
We're trying to find Steve.
What were you about to say? You were about to say something about this, huh?
I miss the GTR,
I know, me
guys.
too.
It's the car we met in. I can't believe you sold it. I can't believe you guys convinced him to sell it.
Yeah, it was your guys' fault. No, I'm just kidding. Nah, they hate me too that I sold it. I'll buy another one though. I know I will. Got another R8.
This is crazy, bro. This is
I know.
not my lane. There's a lot of fast cars.
You should park in here.
What? Bro.
Bring the Tesla.
I gotta park it as far away from here as
Hell
possible.
no.
And you can go head to head with
The Bugatti.
Oh, right. Yeah.
You got a Tesla.
Bro, how crazy is the Bugatti look driving, bro?
Bro, that thing
is
looks
insane.
Yeah, you should look like a Tesla.
Imagine that thing stands.
Bro.
You would do it too.
I would.
I know you would do it. Aventador. The Miami car scene is super, super sick. There's a lot of supercars here, just like LA, which is cool.
Does it feel different? That's why I wanted to ask you. Does this feel different than like an LA meet? Or is it
A little bit. It's similar though, right? Like the car scenes are pretty similar. Because like there's a mix of BMWs and supercars. It's just like LA. So I mean, it's pretty
I do
similar.
feel like there's more supercars out here.
You think so?
I think so.
Maybe. I don't see no Pierce Sports in LA. What? Teslas? Oh yeah, there's a lot of Teslas in LA though.
I didn't realize how many Teslas we have there.
But that's why I've been enjoying Miami a lot, because it's very similar to LA, which is why I could see myself living here because of content like this. And you guys have been really enjoying the freaking Miami vlogs too. I see all the comments. You guys love it.
Is that a sticker?
Yeah, he added that. It doesn't come like that.
Shut up.
I swear.
Are you lying?
I'm being serious. Ooh, M2? Josephine loves that color.
I do.
That's what you should have got.
I love that color.
You know, she almost got one. What?
I love my car, you guys.
And I like
He
your
could
car
never-
too.
He's such a hater, but he could never make me hate my car.
I like her car too, but I really want her to get an M2 for the channel because it would have been cool for me to use it.
You hear that? You hear that?
But she's like, it's gonna be for you at the end of the day, watch. So I let her get what she wanted. Look at GTR, another one. And then last but not least, a Performante right here. Another one of my favorite cars. Guess what? You guys aren't gonna believe it. My boy Dandy just bought one. Twin turbo 1500 horsepower back at home. We gotta vlog that when we get back. But yeah, Dandy got another new car, bro. Pretty soon, Dandy's gonna have one of those. I already know. I know he's gonna do it. That thing is loud, bro. I think that R8 might be louder than mine, guys. It's really loud. I don't even want to go back there because it's too loud. No way your phone case matches my car, bro.
It does?
No way.
Oh, it's close. It's close.
Hey, should we camber it or not?
Yes, please, bro. Please, just go like a couple degrees, bro. Just a couple, bro.
Bro, imagine we cambered it. He always clowns me, guys. It's not low enough.
Nah, bro, it's perfect like this. Bro.
You think so?
Honestly. I just called my cousin and I was like, bro, because my cousin just got a G80. I was like, and he's into the fast car stuff.
Yeah.
So I was like, yo, if you made yours like this, I wouldn't even be mad, bro.
It looks cool, right?
This is perfect,
What
bro.
the heck? She got police lights on the Lambo?
Why didn't you rev it?
I don't know. It's quiet. It's stock.
Bro. Yo. Oh,
Is it loud though when you're driving? Oh, this thing about to rev it.
bro.
It sounds like your Tesla.
No, bro. You have the loudest flames.
No, I don't,
here,
bro. No, I don't. Raul's out. Raul's out. Sheesh. I'd be so scared to drive it, bro, if someone's gonna hit it. Imagine.
Literally, bro.
Bro, if someone just taps it,
Yeah, bro, you scraped.
looks like a freaking spaceship, bro. Sick. Look at everyone walking.
Yo, bro.
Literally, bro.
Literally. You're like, oh my god.
The Bugattis are like silent, bro. Can you straight pipe a Bugatti? Is that even possible? I don't know. This thing is loud. Next time, I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna bring my R8 here, guys. The R8 would be a vibe in freaking Miami. Oh my god. Yeah, the tune on that Huracan is insane. Drifting the GT3 RS right now. Look at him. Bro, he's crazy. I missed it. But he was drifting the GT3 RS. That's louder than the R8, I'm sorry. I thought my R8 was loud. That's loud, dude. Let me feel the clutch.
Like, bro, it's so f***ing bad. I don't even know how you drive.
I know, bro. Everyone always says, like, how do you drive it like that?
It's not a short shifter, right?
Nah, just a shift knob.
But it's like so short, too. Like,
yeah.
It's like, oh my God.
But it's sick, right?
Bro, I don't know how you drive.
Bro. The clutch is annoying, but...
That's a regular clutch? Stop?
No, I upgraded it. Yeah. Now the regular clutch is light, bro. Like they make them super comfortable and light.
No wonder your left leg is a lot.
Right? It's more buff, I think.
Yeah, for real. You're like, you know, I'm like, goddamn. You're standing on business with left foot.
No, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like my left leg is stronger from this stupid clutch, bro.
It has to be, bro.
It's stiff. And driving in Miami traffic, oh hell no, bro. It's horrible. Like it's actually bad. And LA traffic too. It's not the best daily.
Oh, in traffic? Oh yeah, forget
the traffic's
about it.
horrible, bro.
Oh my God, forget about it. Bro, the steering wheel is so nice though.
You want it?
You want it?
Hey, we'll take this shit off right now. Hey,
imagine?
Twice. I got the tools in the trunk. I'm so serious.
This is a fatal Toyota 4Runner.
Yo,
Put them on there?
Yeah. I like the black interior too.
Damn. Oh, no, yours is red, huh?
Yeah, but I low-key
I
like
wanted
black.
red, bro. Like ideally,
Home though.
I wanted red so bad when I first got it, but look at this.
Wait, what is this?
You like it?
What is that?
That's the single turbo. No, I'm just kidding.
Bro, I don't know. I don't
You believe it?
I deadass believe that.
It's the front mount intakes, like they go right here. All this is titanium. We changed even these out, all these caps, like to color match.
Bro, this is so. Bro, you should pop your hood.
I know, I should start
Pop your
doing it more.
hood.
Look at this, bro. It's like carbon Kevlar.
Bro,
It's kind of crazy.
You got all the weight savings.
nice.
I know.
It cancels it out if I go in fucking weight.
Bro.
Self-leveling, dog.
You don't get scared of the rain.
I've had it for a while. I don't know. Some people told me. Even like when
Yeah, like people say like the rain, it could like suck
The water
into
goes
the
in?
intakes and
Yeah. I heard even when you detail the car. But I just watched it. I don't care. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't happen. Nothing's happened so far. Alright guys, check this out. It is actually the next day now. Yesterday, which is a really chill day. Today, same thing. We're just taking it chill now. We did all the car stuff in the beginning of the week. A lot of car stuff. All the car content out the way. And now we're just gonna enjoy Miami and enjoy the car here in Miami because tomorrow gets shipped back. And it's kind of sad. I don't want to ship it back, bro. I really wish I could just extend the trip even like one more week and just extend my car here for another week and just drive it around because bro, it looks so good here. Like look at this shot with the buildings in the back, the water. The G80 was meant to be in Miami. I'm so glad that I brought this car. The F80 would have looked good too, don't get me wrong. The F80 would look sick, but this is such a Miami color. And yeah, I'm just so hyped that I'm able to even do this. Bring my car out here to Miami, ship it here, like, but that's unheard of, dude. To ship your car across the country, so happy that I'm able to do that. I'm so glad that all you guys were able to come and see it in person. Yeah, right now we're just having a little photo shoot, getting some good photos of the car, because like I said, tomorrow it gets shipped back. Ray's car looks insane too with the B-locks, the palm trees. This is fire. If I still have the R8 next year, by this time, I'm bringing the R8 for sure, bro. Now I want to bring my car everywhere. Guys, I've been talking to the homies. I'm trying to set up like this world tour. You guys know how like rappers and artists, they go on like world tours, right? And they stop from city to city, meet and greets, all that good stuff. What if we do it with the car scene, you know? Like all us car YouTubers and stuff like that, we all drive or trailer our cars across the country and stop in different cities. You can have like a tour map of like every stop we're gonna be at, what day. Find like parking lots like this to do a meet and greet / car meet. And we'll just stop in all the cities that you guys want us to stop at. I think that would be such a good idea, bro. I don't know. That's just what I've been thinking. If any other car YouTubers are out there that want to be part of it, let me know. Like, look, imagine photos like this in every single state.
That'd be
Crazy.
tough.
But I want to do like a world tour.
Let's do it.
Like go across the whole country.
Yeah, with
We
the
should
homies?
do it.
M3s
Yes,
just
bro.
traveling?
Everybody. Like
Alright.
we'll get a bunch of car YouTubers and everything.
That'd be hard.
You know how like artists go on tour?
Yeah.
What if we do a car tour?
You're not down,
And
bro.
meet and greets in every big city, bro. Arizona, Texas, like we'll go everywhere, bro. Bro, the security guard is kicking us out. But the car's rolling, dude. No way. I felt bad, but she did kick us out. She was being mean to us, bro. I was driving Ray's car. Oh my god. Hell yeah, it feels different because I'm not controlling. Yeah, it feels different when you're not holding up. What about you, Justin? Does it feel different?
Yeah,
shit, what? Cool.
Huh?
Good one.
Anti-lag it down on the left side. That? Oh, this thing is freaking crazy. Now, slow down. Go to third. Now like this? Yeah, now down should work. Right here, right? Yeah, from here, yeah, down, yeah, down.
Like a laser.
It feels fun, right?
Hell yeah, bro. That's what all of us in here too, bro.
That shit is sick.
Alright guys, look at the weather, bro. It is freaking raining, but the time has come. We are shipping the cars back to LA. They're about to go on the trailer and back to Los Angeles, bro. It was such a fun time. Shout out to everybody who pulled up. Shout out to all the new homies that I met this trip. I had so much freaking fun. You guys do not understand, bro.
How hard is rain?
It's raining really hard. But I think it's even thunder.
Bro, no.
I think it's a hurricane.
You think for sure if I would drive that would have been bad?
Bro, Ray actually took an early flight home, so David actually drove his G82. As soon as we got here, it started raining. So luckily, we beat the rain because that car is sketchy to drive in the rain. It's on slicks, all four.
Good.
Woo!
Nah, I get the purpose.
Damn, these cars look so good in Miami too. Like, I feel like we brought the perfect cars. Just like that. Goodbye, G80. Damn, bro. I really would have extended the trip a little bit longer because it was just so fun to drive this car here. I'm telling you, the best way I can describe it, it felt like I was in a Forza lobby. And like you're driving through a new map, discovering new roads. Like that's how it felt, bro. I've never driven here in my life. So to drive my G80 down here, such a cool experience.
It's crazy how perfectly you get it because you're so accustomed to it.
This?
Yeah, because you get it like perfectly on your face.
I think I'm buying a new camera when I get back.
Can I have that one? So I can start on YouTube channel?
You should. Bro, someone literally commented saying you should start a YouTube channel.
I can't do that.
What? Yeah, the new camera I want is like 5 bands though.
You get it though?
I might, guys.
That big
$5,000 for a camera, but I want to shoot 4K for you guys. I want to start stepping up the quality and all that good stuff. So maybe it's time to invest into a new camera. Even though this one's good, it's not bad, but.
Yeah, that was a good camera.
Anyways, goodbye. See you guys back in LA.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.